Good readings, people, how's it going? Person here, got my glasses on so we can read all the words on screen. Today we're gonna take a closer look at SmartMoney and what they do, stay ahead of the curve, real-time AI-powered tracking of the top-performing traders on chain. All the extra work that you can do when it comes to wallet tracking, for example, and following what whales do, and they automate that. They have their own Telegram bot. It is on their site in the top right corner up here. They can send you alerts and insights. It's pretty cool, so I thought let's share that to the group. As always, nothing in here is financial advice. If you buy it and it goes down in value, happens. Think of this over here as a custom AI model that works with the data live on chain from decentralized exchanges in order to identify the top performing traders for various different assets. Then, based on the performance, you can get the alerts, have the bot set up, and do the same thing they do to capitalize on the next winners early. Which makes a lot of sense, because when I, for example, follow different wallets, I set up a bot for that as well when it comes to alerts. The analytics tool, it's lacking the whole easy setup part. It is mostly manually done and then manually executing different trades. You will get real-time notifications because they feed those pre-trained models into decentralized exchanges data. And the whole industry behind DeFi analytics is valued around $2 billion. And they think, okay, there are a couple other big players in there, but they don't really combine AI and an easy user interface with what they offer. So let's take something that works, make it better, give it to the people. For that, they got a clean and good looking website, and they got their own token for SMRT behind it, which is mostly explained in their white paper here. 5% total tax when it comes to buying and selling the token. 4% of that is used for marketing and development, 1% buyback and burns, $1 billion in total supply with liquidity locked for 1 year. And additionally, 100% of the subscription fees are allocated to buying back and burning the token, which then makes it more deflationary, ups the value, all the good stuff. 90% for liquidity is over here, 10% for centralized exchanges. What it gives us the option to enter the crypto inner circle, develop ourselves into an effective trader, and be early on for certain narratives. Let me give you one example on how this could be useful. Yesterday, we looked at different data and we saw that Base as an ecosystem is outperforming all the other layer 1 chains. Let me put some money into the biggest DeFi application and token on the Base chain, and this is now up 36% in 1 day. So simply looking into analytics and what people do and buy and how many whales accumulate certain tokens can be really profitable. There's some upcoming features of the bot as well, including copy trading. So you could simply set up a wallet with X amount of money, which then follows the trades of other successful traders, and AI narrative analytics, where they feed the transaction data from these influential entities into their self-learning algorithmic architecture. Movement foresight is generated through analysis of emergent on-chain behavioral patterns and correlation with historically profitable signals learned over time. Lots of complicated big boy words. It means if you do well and history repeats itself, let's follow what you do. But also look into expanding across multiple chains moving on. And I would like to see this when it comes to Solana and meme coins, because I would like to see what meme coins do people buy in like the first 5 seconds, combine them with the same wallets, then profit off of that. But we will see on how that goes. The token has been around since February 14th. Roughly, give or take, based on the analytics over here. We went from less than a tenth of 1 cent up to almost 1 cent up here now, having some resistance around the 1 cent mark. Market cap of 9.5 million, liquidity of 662k being locked and verified. But then again, this one is on ETH, which means if you want to buy the token, you probably spend like $70 in gas fees. Let's say you use their bot within Telegram, which you can do right now. They get the SmartMoney tracker. What do we want to do? Notification configuration, top trader preset list, subscription, connect web app, top trader categories. I would say we go with the preset list. For that, we have to enable our preset options. Let's say we want to track the top wallets up there. Make it green and turn that on. Let's say we don't care about the track specific addresses, transactions. Get rid of that. We can set our criteria for the view options like fresh wallets, high trade win rate, profit and loss, and activate those as well, shown with the red and green circle in front. In case you're colorblind, sucks to be you, but stop, I guess, and then you can see it. And because this one is currently a free trial running on the SmartMoney bot, there's no need to subscribe to any of this yet. But if you want to get the token, link is down below. If you want to subscribe to it, stay up to date, as they are making some moves in here. For example, about 3 weeks ago, a month ago, we talked about Palm AI as well, and Palm is now partnered with SmartMoney, which is a pretty good sign. They're developing the web app over here. They were also part of GTC 24 for the Nvidia Summit, and they're also KYC assured over here. To give you additional things from the white paper, their mission statement: we want to empower crypto traders to outperform the market while freeing up their time. So they take huge amounts of blockchain data, filter it to what is actually useful, and give that back to you in order for you to make profits. So when people say do your own research, you could do that manually, or you just set up a bot and it does all the work for you. So their service leverages advanced analytics to compile real-time data, pinpoint the top performing traders, gives that to you, you're happy, I'm happy, everybody's happy, but the moves of all these traders are unveiled to premium subscribers first, which then, in case you like the idea, that's a good time to mention that you can subscribe to their service as well. But I would say for now, links to everything down below, simply check them out, see if this one makes sense for you, and then if you're convinced, make some moves. See you in the next video, and until then, take care.